Imagine trains that arrive on time. Every time. This is the promise of railway reform. Railways connect cities, boost economies, and reduce road congestion. But many railways face issues like delays, outdated technology, and high costs. This video will explore the solutions. We begin with investing in modern infrastructure, strong tracks, advanced signals, and efficient stations enhance safety and reliability. Next, we focus on adopting innovative technology. GPS tracking and real-time data allow for better train scheduling. Third, we need to improve customer experience. Comfortable seating, clean facilities, and reliable information reduce frustration. Fourth, we must prioritize sustainability. Using green energy sources cuts emissions. To summarize, railway reform enhances infrastructure, technology, customer satisfaction, and sustainability. These reforms create a reliable transportation system for everyone. Ready to support railway reform? Share this video and spread the word.